Good morning, family. I got some more toys. Yeah, you know what I'm about to do, right? So this one is supposed to be. Oh yes. Okay, not as big as I thought it was going to be, but I could probably work with it because I have a couple of ideas on making some interesting desserts and additional. How do I get in this box? Which I'm about to make this morning. Much smaller than I expected. But I can still work with it. Now, is there a handle? Oh, the handle's inside. Ah. Okay. So, I'm about to make a dish. Once I go get a screwdriver and put all this together. But this is going to allow me to cook eggs and pancakes and whatever other goodies I want to put in and cook it and give you guys options of having nutritious, interesting meals that you can make at home for a fraction of the cost. My new project is making a what do you call it? A McGriddle. It's like the pancake kind of syrupy sandwich that's between cheese, eggs, and sausage. That's my next project. Stay tuned, family. I'll be back with you. You know I'm always thinking of wonderful things for you. So we're going to get this preheated. We're going to use some olive oil to lubricate. This is a standard brush. And because we're going to make an interesting batter of what I think I'm going to try to make is close to a McGriddle, we're going to add a little bit of syrup to this. We don't need much, just a little bit. We're going to give it that nice little syrupy taste that McGriddles always have. We'll just mix this all up. Now for the eggs. Now some people like it sunny side up. But you can leave the eggs cooked the way they are. Or me, I like to blend them a little bit. now to let it cook. I'll be right back when it's ready. As you can see, if you add enough, you'll notice that it doesn't stick much. So we're just going to wait for it to cook a little bit more so we get to the point where we can flip it. There we go. Watch this. Oh yeah. That's how you do it. Because this pan is so much better than some of the other ones I've had. You can actually flip the egg over and not really break it too bad. This is one of my new toys. Same thing right here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, gee Louise. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. As this is cooking, it becomes easy to flip because now both sides are pretty much cooked pretty well. Notice I'm using different forks because I don't want to mix my dough up with. Yeah, they're about done. So what we're going to do here next, we're going to take ourselves a plate. What you want to do, is you basically take one, scoop it over, and I'm a man of bacon or sausage. I'm going to throw a sausage on mine. And then I take the other one and put it right on top. Voila! Now, that's hot. Now what I need to do, because I didn't have, oops. Where is one? Don't forget to add a little more olive oil to it so that it doesn't stick too bad. And notice I only filled it up roughly about halfway. The olive oil and stuff, or grease it, whatever you want to use as a lubricant, is going to prevent it from sticking. But let's see what this tastes like. Ooh, it's going to be hot. Now look at that. That's pure goodness. Look at that. Look at that. That is pancake, egg, and sausage. Yeah, we're about to have a good time. Whew. That's actually not bad at all. And the syrup that I added to the batter, I can taste it, but I think I should have added more syrup. It would have gotten it closer to that McGriddle taste. So let's test my hypothesis on that. We're just gonna put a little bit more syrup on that thing. Believe it or not, this probably is as close as you're going to get to a McGriddle, other than buying it straight from McDonald's. That is absolutely, and you can do this. Just the dough itself to make these, like, I don't know, a couple of bucks. Sausages, you can get like 24 of those for like $5. Get a dozen eggs, you get 18 eggs for like $3, and you can have all this delicious goodness to your heart desires. Look at that. Look how delicious that is. Absolutely freaking delicious. I don't know what to say. I keep outdoing myself. But if you have any recipes that you're interested in me creating, or you have a diet that needs helping with, hit me up in the comments. I'll make whatever recipe that you need. I'll confirm to whatever diet you need. Diabetics, low carbs, whatever you need. Hit me up what you need. Take care, family. Enjoy. I'm going to save some of these for my son because I know he's going to love them.